Well, I just bought this late April 2021. It's a 2002 with 37,000 miles on it. K1200 LT. $2,500. And if you wanted to buy a Harley like this, it wouldn't be as nice. It'd be 8 or 10 grand. Well, it has every feature you can imagine, including reverse. That's what that little lever's for, is reverse. The windshield's adjustable. You believe that? There's a little button right there. It's got every option you can imagine. Cassette players under here. There's a 6 CD player in a saddlebag. Headphone stuff, Bluetooth stuff, cruise control, temperature, gives you all the stuff like how many miles you've gone and your mileage and so on. Everything you'd get in a car. You can adjust the headlight with that knob over there. It's in really nice shape. You know, I'm just really impressed. Very smooth. They weigh 850 pounds. And once it's rolling, it's okay. Had to replace the tire. Those are new Metzeler Marathons. Mounted, tax, almost $600 for a pair of tires. Has some options on it. Has ABS. Like this stuff down here, some kind of option. Really got great horsepower. It's around 100 horsepower. So, you know, it's a 13.5 quarter-mile kind of thing. Pretty quick. Not the fastest bike I've ever owned, but geez, look at it. And they look great. That color. Yeah. It's a green called, oh, it begins with a T. Nice color of green. These are options. Seats adjustable. Radio controls. Revs to 8,000. Gets about 50 miles per gallon. So, I'm very happy. Very nice. If you're looking for a touring bike, I'd get one of these for sure. Nice saddlebags. These are the tools it comes with. I put a pint of oil in there and a couple of other tools in there for occasion. Yes, I would put Metzeler Marathons on. I looked at other stuff, Avon, Bridgestone, which is a good tire. Bridgestone's a nice tire. Well, I guess that's about it. See that? It doesn't record very low volume and TP mute. I don't know where 2/3 of the stuff on this bike is located or what it does. All very nice. This is your starter button, and you put the bike in R for reverse and press that button, and the bike backs up for you. Lots of chrome. Looks good. Well, I think we've covered everything. Might as well look in here since we're here. You have your vanity mirror. Ooh, boy, that was not vanity there, was it? You're getting as old as I am. Okay. All right, I'm running out of words. Ciao.